GMAT Verbal Reasoning. Analyzing practice tests for success. Hello there, dedicated learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of GMAT's Verbal Reasoning section. Specifically, we'll be focusing on one of the most valuable skills in test preparation: reviewing and analyzing practice tests. Stick around to discover the strategies that can elevate your GMAT scores to new heights. When it comes to mastering the GMAT, taking practice tests is invaluable. But simply completing them isn't enough. It's in the analysis after the test where the true learning happens. By understanding your mistakes, you can identify and rectify gaps in knowledge, recognize patterns in mistakes, improve time management skills, enhance the effectiveness of future study sessions. 1. Self-grade your test. Before checking the solutions, go through your answers. This promotes active engagement and self-awareness. 2. Categorize mistakes. Not all mistakes are created equal. Are they conceptual errors? Simple oversights? Misunderstandings of the question? Categorizing helps in fine-tuning your preparation. 3. Reattempt questions. Before checking the solution, try to solve the questions you got wrong. This process reinforces the correct methodology. 4. Study solutions thoroughly. For every mistake, don't just note the right answer. Understand the reasoning behind it. 5. Make a mistake journal. Note down each mistake and the lesson learned. Review this journal periodically. An essential part of test review is evaluating your time management. Ask yourself, were there questions you spent too long on? Did you have to rush towards the end? Could you have skipped some tricky questions and returned to them later? Time strategy is as crucial as knowing the answers. By recognizing patterns in your time usage, you can adjust your approach for a smoother test experience. After thorough analysis, use the insights to adjust study schedules, allocate more time to weaker areas, seek external help. If a particular topic remains challenging, consider seeking external resources or tutors. Practice mindfully, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer questions with deep analysis than many without review. And that wraps up our deep dive into reviewing and analyzing GMAT verbal reasoning practice tests. Remember, every test taken and reviewed is a step closer to your GMAT success. Keep pushing forward, and as always, we're rooting for your success. Happy studying!